Hello candidates, IIFT 2022 application process has begun and the last date to apply is October 15. IIFT entrance exam is conducted for MBA International Business Program offered by the Indian Institute of Foreign Trade, Delhi. If you plan to appear in this exam, watch this video till the end for step-by-step form filling process. To fill the IIFT 2022 application form, candidates have to register on iift.nic.in website. To register, click on the tab indicating Apply for IIFT MBA IB. In the new page, click on New Registration. Read the important instructions related to IIFT application form filling and click on the check box and proceed to the next page. In the next page, you have to enter personal details such as name, parents' names, date of birth, gender, category, identification number and contact details. You also have to choose a password for your IIFT account. Now enter the security PIN and click on Submit. Review the entries and confirm registration. After successful registration, click on Complete Application Form option in the dashboard to fill it. In the IIFT application form, you need to update your nationality, state, category, interview city and institute preference. You also have to select 4 cities for test center allotment and enter academic details such as class 10th and 12th and graduation marks. You can also add your PG degree and work experience details. Submit security PIN after filling the details and move to Uploading Documents process. Click on Upload Document tab and upload your recent passport size photo and scanned signature in the prescribed dimensions. Next, confirm uploading and enter security PIN to complete the form filling process. The last step is fee payment. IIFT exam fee is Rs 2500 for unreserved category students and Rs 1000 for reserved category students. Click on Pay Examination Fee option and select the mode of payment. Read fee payment instructions and proceed further. Select payment options and fill the details to make payment in the page that appears. So this was all about IIFT application process. Feel free to reach out to us for queries in the comments section below. Stay tuned for college course and entrance exams related information. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. All the best.